Imagine a world where every 40 seconds a business falls victim to a ransomware attack. Yes, you heard that right. Every 40 seconds a company's vital information becomes the target of cyber criminals. Quite a chilling truth, isn't it? Now, this isn't a plot from a dystopian novel or a sensationalized news story. It is the shocking reality of the digital world we live in today. So what can save us from this invisible threat that lurks in the shadows of our online universe? The answer lies two words: cybersecurity. Quite simply, is the practice of protecting our system networks and programs from digital attack. These attacks usually aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information into normal business processes or extort money from users. It's the digital equivalent of a fortress designed to keep out unwanted intruders. But why is cybersecurity so important in an increasingly interconnected world? The stakes are higher than ever. Personal information, confidential business data, even the security of our nations all depends on the strength of our cybersecurity defense. A breach in these defenses can lead to devastating consequences ranging from financial loss to irreversible damage to a person or company's reputation. And it is not just big corporations that need to worry. Anyone with digital footprint is at risk. That means if you are using a smartphone, a laptop, or any device connected to the internet, you are a potential target in this day and age. Neglecting cybersecurity is akin to leaving your front door wide open and inviting. So what can you do to avoid becoming a static in this digital battlefield? First, always keep your software updated. Software manufacturers regularly release updates that fixes known vulnerabilities, making it harder for attackers to gain access to your system. Second, use strong unique passwords for all of your accounts. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them all, and no password such as a 123 or 12346 is not a strong password. Be cautious of the emails you receive. Many cyber attacks starting with a phishing email. If an email seems suspicious, it is better to err on the side of caution and not click on any links or download any attachments. Lastly, consider using a VPN or virtual private network. Especially when using public Wi-Fi, a VPN can provide an extra layer of security by encrypting your data and making it harder for hackers to access it. It is not a matter of if you will be targeted, but when. By taking these steps, you can fortify your digital fortress and give yourself the best chance against the cyber threats of today and tomorrow. So keep your software updated. strong passwords, be cautious of suspicious emails, and consider using a VPN for your digital life. May depend on it. In the grand scheme of things, cybersecurity is more than just protecting your personal data. It is about safeguarding our digital world from those who wish to exploit it. It's about creating a safer and more secure internet for everyone. For support me, please thumbs up and don't forget for subscribe. Thank you.